Hello everyone, I'm Shyam. Welcome to channel The Truth of India. Looking for the best gadget in affordable price, then great news for you. Chinese smartphone giant has launched its next generation tablet OnePlus Pad Lite with powerful 9340 mAh battery and powerful MediaTek Helio G100 chipset and bigger 11-inch HD Plus display, which will be available in the Indian market from 1st of August in two variants. Price starts at 15,999 for 6GB plus 128GB for Wi-Fi variant and 17,999 for 8GB plus 128GB variant. You can also avail 2,000 instant discount and 1,000 special launch discount. Approx 3,000 discount will get arrow blue shade color option. This device will be available through OnePlus India website, OnePlus Store app, OnePlus Experience Stores, Amazon, Flipkart, Chromo, Reliance, Digital, Vijay Sales, Bajaj Electronics, and select other partners from August 1st, 12 p.m. Let's check out the specification of this cool device. The OnePlus Pad Lite comes with 11-inch HD Plus LCD screen, TUV WLAN certificate for flicker-free and low blue light standard. It has a MediaTek Helio G100 SoC paired with up to 8GB RAM and 128GB onboard storage. The tablet runs on Oxygen OS 15.1 based on Android 15. For optics, the OnePlus Pad Lite carries 5 megapixel front and 5 megapixel rear camera sensor. The tablet has quad speaker unit with high-res audio, gold standard certification. Connectivity options for the tablet include Wi-Fi, 4G LTE, Bluetooth 5.4, and USB Type-C port. It supports SBC, AAC, AR, aptX, aptX SD, and LDAC audio cords as well. And the great thing about this cool device packs with 9340 mAh battery, which supports 33-watt super walk charging and supports facial recognition feature for security and weight just 530 grams. Then don't wait, go for your dream gadget OnePlus Pad Lite. Thank you so much.